home playing Nerf Guns.
You wish you were at home playing Nerf Guns. That's awesome. Mommy's Mother's Day hike, and you wish you were at home playing Nerf Guns.
Oh yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Mother's Day tomorrow. I was going to say, anybody don't walk right behind me because when I'm pushing hard down like this, sometimes the pole comes out and goes shooting backwards.
Oh, I thought you were going to say you're going to fart.
I could do that for you if you like.
I was waiting for the fart. Come on, go.
Why is it so hot? It's already getting super hot.
Come on.
It literally was cold, now it's getting hot. That's cool. And my leg.
My little bug has her ear thing on. Just getting pressure in her ears. She might have a tiny bit of a cold. And the wind was hurting her ears.
What the heck?
Say hi. She's rocking her already filthy, dirty, brand new Waymark Gear Mile pack. We're testing it out, seeing if it'll work for backpacking for her. Is it comfy?
Nope.
Huh? There's our friends up ahead. Here's the realities of the very first hike of the year with kids. There's a whole lot of drama going on. Merrick slipped and whacked his knee about 5 minutes ago, and now he's doing the whole drama thing. Drama! I am! You better get up! Come on! Oh, there's your kind, buddy. There's another husky over here. Come see him. Husky cross. He's got enough husky in him that I could tell.
Yeah.
Come on, Ghost.
Oh, what a cutie.
Come on, bud. We're so close. We can't turn around now.
You're almost there.
See, they're telling you you're almost there.
You're almost to the top. Really nice viewpoint. Just a little bit to go.
Think of all you have accomplished, Merrick, when we get up there. You're going to feel so accomplished.
When we're getting up there, we're taking a 6-hour break. You hear me?
Okay.
This is all $4 worth of a hike. Yeah. Ow.
Just think you're going to get Roblox money from this.
$4.
Okay, $4. But you got to make it to the top.
You actually...
Come on, dudes. Bribery goes a long ways.
No! This cost us $760.
So somebody left their
Robux.
spike there.
Mom, this is $7. Give us $7 for this.
I'll give you $7 if we go down the backside.
No!
Remember, the backside is all downhill.
I have one question.
Yeah?
If Nerf wants that much Robux, 700 Robux, you have to do $13.
I'll give you guys the second level of Robux dollars
That's 600.
if we go down the back.
That's 600. No. I'm not going down the back.
Come on.
The back is not. The back is all downhill, Mara. The back takes a long time.
But it's all downhill. That's the nice part. Come on, Ghost.
You're very close to the flag at the top.
Thank you.
This is not the top. I thought this was the top.
We're close.
I said stop. Stop. Stop.
Come on, little beans. We're almost there. You can see the top.
I need to take off this freaking coat.
Okay. You're going to get cold up here, though.
I can.
Why don't you just undo it and take your head off? Your hat.
The top.
Your hat is what's making you hot.
My way.
Bring it to me. Bring me your coat. Get your pack on.
You're lucky. Just like it doesn't show like it does on me. It does. Like me, it goes straight to my face. That's true. My face doesn't show it as much,
Come on, guys.
but my stomach does. And I did a photo shoot with Tara. Yeah. On Wednesday. Yeah. Thursday. That's it. She so proved it. So just so you know, sorry to interrupt. You are comfortable. I'm always she knows how to look, where to look, what to wear, and every picture, like you can tell Graham loves taking pictures of her. And me, I don't know where to look, what to do, and the things I put on in front of my dresser are never what I really wear. I don't know how to think what colors to wear. Oh, what are you asking me for? I always ask you that.
Come on, buddy.
Stop.
Look at that view. Look around. Look at that.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
Can I eat?
At the top. This is the top. Let's go to the trees. We're going to eat there, okay? You want to go down the back?
Yeah, but you have to give us the highest amount of
now going down the other side. Whew. Whew. So pretty in here. Ron specializes in dirty jokes.
Why is pubic hair curly?
Say it again.
Why is pubic hair curly? So you don't get your eyes poked out.
Oh my gosh.
Well, you asked for it, right?
That's right. You walked into that one.
Oh, that was awesome.
The one of the year, and I don't tell this to many women I don't know, is how much skin does it take to cover a vagina?
I'm scared to know. No.
You asked.
I just turned it on. I just want to get this part of the trail.
The stitch is coming back again. I think Cordana took us here.
Did she?
Yeah, I think so.
For a hike?
For a hike, yeah.
Ooh. Are you hearing stories again?
Yeah, this is stuff.
From Radio went on.
I
He's
know.
telling me about horror podcasts. But he likes
Uh-huh.
horror podcasts.
Uh-huh. I think this trail is about 16 kilometers. It includes going up and over a mountain to the summit of a small mountain called Prairie Mountain. And Ron is 82, he's ahead of me. He's rocking it. My kids are ahead of me. I think we're already at that point where my kids are gonna kick my butt on a regular basis. They are just rockets. It's amazing because this is their very first hike out and in the summer, and they've both got all of the gear on their backs that they would carry backpacking, minus their sleeping bags and their nighttime clothes right now. Just for, I mean, safety. You never know what could happen in the mountains. And also just to train, get them trained up for carrying a big pack or a bigger pack. And there was a lot of complaining going up the mountain because it's pretty steep. And it's their first hike and their legs aren't used to it yet. But right now I think they're just in, I want to get to the car mode. And they're way up there. It's good. we always carry our Salomon filters on our bottles, and they've got the Salomon flasks, and that way they don't have to carry that much water weight. And Merrick filled up at the creek already once. I carried a extra smart water bottle just in case, and Amelia filled up halfway from that. So yeah, pretty good trying to train the kids to drink more water, but that's always an ongoing battle. Should be about maybe 2 kilometers from the trailhead now. My knees don't like the downhill when I'm attached to the dog. They don't like downhill, period, but when I'm attached to the dog, it's worse. I sometimes just gotta start running. That's all I can do. I seem to be okay running, better running than walking. Trying out the new TX4s, and this is my first hike in them. Not my first run in them. I have weird feet. I have one foot that's smaller than the other by a full size, and my feet are really skinny, especially in the heels and the ankles. And so trying to find a boot that I can, not a boot, but a approach shoe or trail runner that accommodates a really skinny foot, that has a little bit of cushion, that I can use backpacking, is very interesting. I forgot to turn my watch on until we were at the top of the mountain. So it's saying, till we were at almost the top, it was like just below the summit. So it's only saying 5 miles. But yeah, trying to find shoes that I can backpack in that aren't boots. And even trail runners is really hard for me. So far, some of the Salomon runners fit me, and the Arc'teryx approach shoes seem to be good. I was just hoping for something with a little bit more cushion. I know a lot of people hike in the Ultra Lone Peaks and in the Hokas, but they're all too wide for my foot. Nope. Nope. You have to stop liking squirrels. Yeah. There's nowhere to go down. We made it just as the snow starts. We have impeccable timing. You guys did awesome. I know. Mommy's the pokey one.